Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 5. We are headed toward April and flowers blooming and warm weather. This week, we are going to discuss cultural diversity in healthcare. Competency is to create effective human resource strategies for the recruitment, training, and retention of a culturally diverse healthcare workforce. And the individual competencies are to articulate the value of having a culturally diverse healthcare workforce, identify 2 potential problems affecting quality if you don't have diversity, explain the need for sensitivities to cultural beliefs and values of others, including our peers and our patients or consumers, and to develop a culturally diverse training program for healthcare employees. So in the discussion, we're going to research and discuss what the value is for having a cultural diverse workforce in healthcare, and then describe it in your own healthcare or other work setting. So tell me, what's the value of having people of all different cultures in our workforce? What kind of problems in delivering quality care can arise by not having a culturally diverse workforce? Share any situations relative to cultural diversity that you've experienced in your work environment. Include any problems that may have resulted in the absence of diversity. If there was an issue relating to diversity in your work setting, how was it resolved? If it wasn't resolved, what would you do to address the issue? In the assignment, we're going to have you do a voiceover PowerPoint. Now, we are going to pretend that you're an administrator of a healthcare facility, and you are required to provide education for your staff on cultural diversity. So you're going to make a PowerPoint as if you were the administrator to give this to your staff members. I'd like to have you include an explanation, of course, at the beginning of your PowerPoint of what the need is for sensitivity to cultural beliefs and values of others. So identify the program topic, identify the program objectives. All educational programs should have objectives. Determine the subject content for the training. Establish and coordinate a schedule. So I'd like to see this in your PowerPoint. How are you going to get all of your employees to this education? Are you going to put this education on like a health stream or other online learning environment and have them do it while they're on their job? Are you going to have many different in-services and make people come to those in-services? Will it be during their time of work? Will it be after work or before work? And then tell me how you would select appropriate instructors and guest speakers. Who would they be? And then tell me how you would evaluate the program. So develop some sort of an evaluation tool to assess achievement of the objectives. So you make these objectives at the beginning of the program, and then at the end of the program, the evaluation could be simply just a question and answer. Did you reach these objectives? If one of your objectives at the beginning of the program was that the learner would be able to explain the importance of having a culturally diverse workforce, then at the end of the program on your evaluation, you can just ask them if they have reached that objective. Please feel free to reach out to me about this assignment or anything else. And I will see you ladies all online. Thanks. Bye-bye.